Alright, let's be honest, sleeping at airports is something most of us dread, but sometimes you've got a long layover, a delayed flight, or just want to save on a hotel. So let me show you how to sleep at airports like a total pro. First thing, location is everything. Don't just crash at the first empty seat you see. Look for gates that aren't being used at night, or quiet corners far from the main walkways. A lot of airports actually have designated rest zones with reclining chairs or even sleeping pods. If you can find one, jackpot. Next up, comfort is key. Airports are notorious for those armrests that make it basically impossible to stretch out. If you can, pack a small travel pillow or even an inflatable neck pillow. I always bring a big hoodie or a lightweight blanket. Trust me, airports get cold at 2 in the morning. Now safety. Keep your backpack or carry-on close, and if you're zonking out, loop one of the straps around your arm or leg. I usually tuck my valuables deep inside my bag and use my bag as a pillow. That way no one's sneaking off with my stuff while I'm dreaming of actual beds. Earplugs and an eye mask are game changers. There's always some announcement or cleaning crew making noise, and those bright lights never go off. Pop in your earplugs, pull down your mask, and you've got your own little bubble of peace, even in a busy terminal. Hygiene matters too. I pack a small toiletry kit with wipes, a toothbrush, and toothpaste. Nothing like freshening up before a nap or after you wake up. Some airports even have showers, so check the terminal map or ask at an information desk. And hey, respect airport rules. Some places are totally cool with people sleeping overnight, others might not be. If security comes by and asks you to move, just be polite about it. Last tip, set an alarm. Flights can change gates or you might sleep through a boarding call. Set your alarm for at least 45 minutes before your flight so you have time to wake up, gather your things, and get to your gate. So next time you're stuck at the airport, don't stress. With a little prep, you can actually catch some real sleep and wake up ready for your next adventure. Safe travels.